Alright, good morning guys. We are here in Lake Tahoe, day 2. And you can take a look around. Ooh. Yeah, so we are here at South Lake Tahoe. It was a cold night, but you know, we stayed in an RV. We had a heated room, so we have water, bathroom, everything. So we're pretty much set. So we can go into the coldest places. It should be okay. As long as we have an electric output, we should be good. We got here very late last night because the rental took forever. It took us like almost 3 hours just in there. They had a lot of people. There was only one person working there, so we got here around like 10 at night. We had to find a spot in the dark, which was a bit of a challenge. There's currently nobody here. It's just me, and I want to show you what it looks like in the beginning of March. Going back to the truck right now, the SUV. We got a Ford F-150, very smooth, very stable, no complaints. But after this fire, I'm going to give a tour around the truck, and then we're going to go to Castle Rock Trailhead. From there, I don't know what we're doing. We're going to Cave Rock. We're halfway there already, and the Cave Rock is right there, right? Can you see it?
Uh-huh.
The hike is very easy. Very easy. The pond is her name. It's like, looks like ocean water. It doesn't even look like
a lake water?
Lake water, yeah.
How was it getting here from SF?
Well, it was like 3.5 hours.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It was tiring. We only got there. Hey guys. How's it going, man? Oh, they're coming. They're finally coming.
Beautiful day on the mountain.
Right? Right? A short hike. Very short, right? So, oh, I'm sorry. I totally lost what you were saying. The drive was very good. Well, we got a car very late. They took us like 2 or 3 hours in the office, so we got out late, and we got to the campground very late. So this morning we set up camp and then we decided to go up to Castle.
Castle Hill, yeah.
Castle Hill. And then, yeah, so we're here.
Guys, look at this.
Go. Oh, it's recording? Hello, this is day 3. We're headed to Yosemite Park, and it's gonna take about 3.5 hours. We stayed 2 nights over here at Lake Tahoe, Zephyr Cove. Beautiful Sierra Mountains. Okay, so we are at El Dorado National Forest.
So what are these trees called?
These are coniferous trees found in these colder regions. Day 3, we are here at Yosemite Lakes RV Resort.